What is a swimming pool skimmer? A skimmer is, traditionally speaking, the rectangle port installed at the water line of a swimming pool. Significantly, it's at the water line because this is a suction point for the filtration system of your pool. And there's a lot of reasons why you would want surface level suction. Do all swimming pools have a skimmer then? Like pretty much. Pretty much all swimming pools do, except for very entry level above ground swimming pools and extremely high end infinity edge or vanishing edge swimming pools. Pretty much all other swimming pools have skimmers. Maybe except another notable exception would be commercially sized swimming pools, which are gigantic and require an overflow style filtration system that installs a channel drain entirely around the swimming pool instead of having surface level skimmers. But they still accomplish surface level skimming. So why do you need this surface level skimming anyway? Well, because you have organic debris like leaves and bugs and schmutz floating on the surface of the pool water, and you want to do something about that. Nobody likes swimming through that stuff. Further to that, you have to think about all of the sweat and suntan lotions and oils and makeup and things like that. All of those, unless you're taking a shower immediately before jumping in the pool, which technically speaking would be a good idea to do, all of that stuff ends up in the swimming pool and it kind of just floats on the surface of the water. And that's what this skimmer does. It is the suction point for surface level filtration of water in your swimming pool, and almost all swimming pools have one. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.